a lot of people don't know what life insurance can do for them, mainly because society has designed it so that people don't really become wealthy. You know what I mean? Even those that believe in the whole buy term invested difference and all that, they're not designed to make wealth or create wealth. Maybe rich for one lifetime or one generation, but usually by the second generation, your kids are going to blow everything away. And to me personally, I believe that's by design. Because if everyone was a millionaire, if everyone was a Rockefeller, and we'll get into that, how Rockefellers have been able to do that, right? Who would take the jobs? You know what I mean? Where would the economies be? Credit card companies wouldn't have their business. Colleges and universities wouldn't have all these student loans that they're profiting for, right? They couldn't get you to go back to school to get a master's, PhD, just to make $50,000 a year, right? So a lot of economies would collapse if everybody was a millionaire baby. And that's the thing is, it's kind of like the gym, right? A lot of people don't think about getting a gym membership until someone in their family has a heart attack. And guess what? They'll sign up for a gym membership January 1st and they'll never go to the gym and cancel it by March, right? Because we don't prioritize in our lives. You know, we live in a society where people say, hey, let's buy something that you don't need with money that you don't have, right? So we can impress people that we don't even like, right? Like that's literally our society because having a big buckle on your belt or having a car that costs more than your rent, you know, instead of paying a mortgage, having a $1,500 car payment with insurance is more important than actually setting up some sort of financial foundation, right? And that's the problem.
Yeah, I mean, it's keeping up with the Joneses, right? It's having the shiny things that make you feel good momentarily versus investing in the things that might not feel as great because it takes a little bit of a slower process.
Right.
But once you get 5, 10, 15 years in to these processes, all of a sudden you can afford the nice things and you're not stressing out about them because you have the financial backing to support what you're buying.